Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to disabling editing permissions on Google Sheets documents. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet application, and after that you just need to find which documents that you want to disabling the editing permissions with. So for example, here I already have one document that I want to disabling the permissions access. So the things that you need to do, you just need to go click these three small dots if you have this type of look. But if you have this type of look, just still click these three small dots on the documents, and after that go click manage access. And in this manage access, you just need to go into this general access here, and you just need to change from anyone with the link with restricted, so no one will not be able to edit your documents. So that's the way how to disable editing permissions on a Google Sheet files. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.